Confused about what to learn in IT. Everyone is giving different advice, right? But what if I show you roles that are high paying, future proof, and hiring right now? Let's cut the noise and focus on what actually works. Today's IT market is crowded with courses, tutorials, and opinions. But most companies are not hiring everything, they are hiring specific skills. And if you have just 2 to 3 years of experience, these roles can change your career. Number 1, Generative AI Developer. This is one of the hottest skills right now. It is not about being a genius, it is about consistency, practice, and understanding tools like LLMs. If you have built real world AI projects, companies are ready to pay you premium salaries. Number 2, AI Engineer. This is not easy. It requires deep understanding of machine learning, neural networks, and mathematics. But if you master it, you enter into one of the most respected and highest paying roles in IT. Number 3, Data Engineer. Python, SQL, PySpark, and Databricks. These are your weapons. There is a huge shortage of skilled data engineers. If you can build data pipelines, you will never struggle for job opportunities. And here is a bonus tip. Most people ignore this. Technical trainer. If you can teach generative AI or data engineering with strong communication skills, excellent presentation skills, and clarity, you can earn lakhs per month. Less competition, massive demand. So you have two choices: build the technology or teach the technology. Both can make you successful.